Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of nutrition to uncover the top 6 healthiest foods that should be a staple in your diet for a healthier you. Let's get started. 1. Avocado. Our first superfood is the creamy and delicious avocado. Avocados are packed with essential nutrients that can benefit your overall health in numerous ways. Avocados are an excellent source of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. These healthy fats also play a crucial role in nutrient absorption, ensuring you get the most out of the foods you eat. But why do avocados matter so much? Well, they matter because they are not just delicious, they are incredibly nutritious. Avocados are rich in fiber, promoting digestive health and aiding in weight management. This is particularly important because a diet high in fiber can prevent overeating and help you feel full for longer periods. Additionally, avocados are a fantastic source of vitamins and minerals. They're loaded with potassium, a mineral vital for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels and supporting proper nerve and muscle function. Moreover, avocados are a treasure trove of antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are essential for eye health, protecting your vision from harmful UV rays and age-related macular degeneration. 2. Spinach. Our second powerhouse food is none other than spinach, a leafy green that deserves a permanent spot on your plate. Spinach is a nutritional powerhouse, delivering a wide range of health benefits. It's incredibly low in calories, making it an excellent choice for those looking to manage their weight. But don't be fooled by its low calorie count. Spinach is a nutrient-dense food that's bursting with essential vitamins and minerals. So, why does spinach matter so much? Spinach matters because it's a nutritional superstar. It's an abundant source of iron, a mineral crucial for the production of hemoglobin, which transports oxygen throughout your body. Consuming enough iron helps prevent anemia, a condition characterized by fatigue and weakness. Spinach is also a rich source of antioxidants, including beta-carotene. These antioxidants play a pivotal role in boosting your immune system, helping your body defend itself against infections and illnesses. For those looking to maintain healthy blood pressure levels, spinach is a valuable addition to your diet. Its high potassium content, combined with a low sodium content, can help regulate blood pressure and reduce the risk of hypertension. Before we go to our third pick, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. 3. Blueberries. Our third superstar food is none other than the tiny yet mighty blueberry. These little blue gems are packed with health benefits that make them a must-add to your diet. Blueberries matter because they are a nutritional powerhouse. Their significance extends beyond their size. Blueberries are renowned for their high antioxidant content, specifically anthocyanins. These antioxidants play a crucial role in protecting your cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, which can contribute to chronic diseases and aging. But that's not all. Blueberries have been the subject of extensive research due to their positive impact on brain health. Consuming blueberries has been linked to improved cognitive function and memory, making them a brain-boosting superfood. The antioxidants in blueberries are believed to support brain function by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain. Blueberries can also be your heart's best friend. They help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. The heart-healthy compounds found in blueberries, such as flavonoids, may improve the function of blood vessels and reduce the risk factors associated with heart disease. Moreover, blueberries are rich in fiber, promoting digestive health and aiding in weight management. This fiber content, combined with their low calorie count, makes them an excellent choice for those looking to shed some pounds. The fiber in blueberries can help you feel full, reduce overeating, and support your weight loss goals. 4. Salmon. Our fourth nutritional superstar is salmon, a fatty fish that's rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Salmon is not only delicious but also incredibly beneficial for your health. Salmon matters because it's a nutritional powerhouse with a multitude of health benefits. At the heart of its nutritional value lies its high content of omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats are crucial for overall health and well-being. Omega-3s play a pivotal role in brain health. They are essential for maintaining healthy brain function and reducing the risk of cognitive decline as you age. Consuming salmon regularly can support your brain's health and help enhance memory and cognitive abilities. But the benefits of salmon don't stop there. Omega-3 fatty acids have anti-inflammatory properties, which can be a game changer for individuals with inflammatory conditions like arthritis. By reducing inflammation, salmon can help alleviate joint pain and improve overall joint health. Salmon is also a fantastic source of high-quality protein. Protein is essential for muscle maintenance and growth, making salmon an excellent choice for those looking to build and maintain lean muscle mass. Moreover, salmon is rich in vitamin D, a nutrient that's essential for bone health, immune system support, and overall well-being. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium, which is crucial for strong and healthy bones. 5. Quinoa. Our fifth nutritional superstar is quinoa, a versatile and ancient grain that has gained popularity for its exceptional nutritional value. Quinoa matters because it's a nutritional powerhouse. It's rich in high-quality protein, making it an excellent choice for vegetarians and vegans looking to meet their protein needs. In fact, quinoa is one of the few plant-based sources of complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids necessary for human health. Quinoa is also an excellent source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion, promotes a feeling of fullness, and helps stabilize blood sugar levels. This makes it a valuable addition to a balanced diet, especially for those managing diabetes or aiming for weight loss. One of quinoa's standout features is its impressive array of vitamins and minerals, including magnesium, manganese, phosphorus, and folate. These nutrients are vital for various bodily functions, such as bone health, energy production, and red blood cell formation. Additionally, quinoa is gluten-free, making it suitable for individuals with gluten sensitivities or celiac disease. Its versatility in the kitchen allows for endless culinary possibilities, from salads to soups and even breakfast porridge. 6. Broccoli. Our sixth nutritional superfood is broccoli, a cruciferous vegetable that has earned its reputation as a dietary powerhouse. Broccoli matters because it's a nutritional giant. It's packed with vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin A, folate, and potassium. Vitamin C is essential for immune system support, while vitamin K plays a crucial role in bone health and blood clotting. Broccoli is also rich in dietary fiber, making it an excellent choice for digestive health. The fiber in broccoli helps regulate bowel movements, prevent constipation, and supports a healthy gut microbiome. One of the most compelling reasons broccoli matters is its potent cancer-fighting properties. It contains sulforaphane, a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound that may help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, such as breast, prostate, and colon cancer. Moreover, broccoli is low in calories but high in nutrients, making it an ideal choice for those aiming to maintain a healthy weight. It's a versatile vegetable that can be steamed, roasted, sautéed, or added to a variety of dishes, making it easy to incorporate into your diet. In conclusion, these are 6 of the healthiest foods you can add to your diet. They offer a wide range of nutrients and health benefits that can contribute to a healthier, happier you. So, start including these nutritional superstars in your meals and enjoy the incredible advantages they have to offer. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and nutrition content. Thank you for watching.